is WordPress. So let's just fire up our favorite web browser, which in my case is Safari. So let's fire it up. Where are you, buddy? Here we go. Yes. And now go to Google and search for WordPress and click on the link which is from wordpress.org. So click on that link and here we are on the official website of WordPress. So I'm going to answer your very first question, which is what is WordPress? So WordPress is a software which we can use to create beautiful websites, blog and functional application. By definition, it is an open source content management system which we can use to create amazing and stunning websites, powerful and functional and paying blogs, to cloth selling or anything in the e-commerce market. We can also create some amazing and beautiful forums and some powerful social network with WordPress. There is a lot more with the WordPress. So let's find it together. So WordPress is a beautiful and powerful content management system which allow us to create website without knowing any code. Yes, any code. You don't need to write code for using WordPress. How powerful and cool is that? And WordPress is completely free. You don't have to pay a single penny for using WordPress. And how cool is that? You don't need to pay a single penny for using WordPress. So here we are, and we are going to see some of the best points of WordPress. So WordPress is used by 29% of the web, which simply means that WordPress is the #1 content management system in the planet. Okay, it is the #1 and the most popular content management system on the planet. It is used by some of the most beautiful websites in the world, such as Vogue, Jay-Z, Bloomberg, and so on and so forth. Many big companies are using WordPress, and we are going to learn WordPress in this series. So let's learn WordPress together in the complete